Now, the Mumbai police has issued a lookout circular notice against Bollywood actor Shilpa Shetty and her husband Raj Kundra in a multi-crore fraud case. The celebrity couple is accused of defrauding the businessman of about 60 crore rupees in a case linked to an investment deal for their now defunct Best Deal TV Private Limited. The EOW has suggested that the police, of course, now, we're talking about businessman Deepak Kothari, who had alleged that between 2015 and 2023, the couple had taken 60 crore rupees from him under the pretext of expanding their business, but they spent it on personal expenses instead. So the couple had allegedly taken the money as a loan, but later showed it as an investment, citing tax savings. According to the man, he was basically assured that the money would be returned, it would come back, but it hasn't come back. Paras joining us in order to get us more on this. Paras, the man was supposed to get a 12% annual interest on the money that was borrowed by Shilpa Shetty and her husband. And here we have, the man, suing the celebrity couple, wanting his money back.
Rightly said, the lookout circular has been issued by the Mumbai Police's EOW on the name of Raj Kundra and Shilpa Shetty. This whole case is of from year 2015 to 2023, when a businessman called Deepak Kothari, now he has registered a FIR against them of fraud of rupees 60 crore rupees. So this entire matter, few days ago, enforcement the EOW, Economic Offences Wing of Mumbai Police, registered a case in this entire matter, and after that they are investigating in this matter thoroughly. And now what has happened, a lookout circular notice has been issued to them, and more thing will be done by EOW of Mumbai Police. We have to wait till what things will be done by the EOW. Next, what step will be taken by the EOW in this entire matter.